back to Sugar Plum, and today I will discuss about the most requested topic, postpartum hair fall. I have decided to choose this topic basis on the poll that I have created on Sugar Plum community and some of the questions which I have requested on weekly question and answers. It's a nightmare for many moms and yes, causes a lot of stress. So I also went through the same problem, but I overcame within just 6 months post pregnancy. So I thought it's a good idea to share my personal experience and remedies that I have used for my hair fall with you, apart from the logical explanations behind this problem. But before that, kindly subscribe my channel for new updates on mom's health and care and kids health and care and parenting tips, because I want to reach out to every mom who needs help, and you could be one of the source of medium to help me reaching out the moms and helping them. So let's understand the logical explanation of why does hair fall happens post pregnancy. So there are 3 stages of hair growth, which is the growth, resting and shedding, which is also known as the fall period. When we get pregnant, the estrogen level, which is one of the hormones, it rises during pregnancy. That means it prolongs the growth stage of the hair, and the hormone increases the blood circulation and hence strengthening the roots, which definitely results into women having more thick, shinier, stronger hair. Once we deliver the baby, the fall happens due to the normal cycle. That means the estrogen level, which was high, comes back to the normal level after pregnancy. Losing hair after pregnancy is quite normal. I mean, there is no need to worry about that. About 85% of hair grows actively, while 15% of remains in the resting mode. This 15% usually falls out due to the wash or combing during a period which is called the shedding period, and it makes the way for new hair follicles. So let's understand the common reasons behind the hair fall. The first most common reason behind the hair fall post pregnancy is the fall in the estrogen level. That means estrogen level rises in the pregnancy, comes back to the normal level after pregnancy. So this causes many hair to go into the resting mode, which for not more than 4 months, but if it lasts more than 8 months, it means there is a problem. There are certain deficiencies that you have to take care of. The first could be the hormonal imbalance. Second could be extreme fatigue and stress associated with caring of a newborn baby that disrupts the body natural rhythms. Third is deficiencies. I mean, during pregnancy, iron and vitamin deficiencies can encourage sudden hair loss. अभी हमने बात करी है causes और normal stages of hair growth or hair fall. Let's talk about the treatment. So the good news is that there are plenty of things that you can do to strengthen your hair growth, stimulate hair growth, and even reverse hair loss. The thing that you can attack hair loss is by eating a pro-hair diet. Remember, only one macronutrient that you have to incorporate in your diet is protein. Protein could be your soy products, your whole fermented dairy products, your meat like beef and lamb, which is very important for hair stimulation and hair growth. Second is making lifestyle changes. Many studies have shown that stress make hair fall out. Yes, it is true. Third is get as much sleep as you can. I know it's easier said than done with your young children, but if the baby is still waking you at night, consider napping when baby naps. Or even better, try to go bed before 9 p.m. because sleep is so important. That's why the body repairs and regenerates. Next is always use natural hair care products. Trust me, while it may be tempting to buy hair growth products for postpartum hair loss, they usually contain chemicals, and it's a big no-no from my end, because till date I apply hair mask which is homemade ones, not the ones which is on different sites. So yes, instead try these 5 simple tips which I have used for my hair growth after postpartum. The first one is egg hair mask. Trust me, that's one of the best effective remedy that I have seen. You can use the whole egg and just beat it and apply it on your hair continuously for 2-3 weeks, and you will see the changes. Second is use castor oil mask. And you can use curd, honey, and fresh aloe vera mask on your hair, and that will definitely help you stimulating your hair growth. Other one is अवॉइड हार्श हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स. इस टाइम तो किसी के पास वैसे भी टाइम नहीं होता है इतना सब करने का, बट येस, इफ still you are fond of hair blow dryers and all, stop and avoid using them, because that will do more harm than good. So you can stop using hair tools like hair dryers, hair curlers, curling irons, straighteners. Second is frequent washes. Avoid just washing your hair on a daily basis. Don't tie a pony, a high pony or a tight pony. Avoiding tight hairstyles, a tight bun, and brushing your hair when they are wet. Any which ways we shouldn't be doing that. So these were the stages, causes and treatments. अब मैं आपको वो simple tips बताऊंगी जो मैंने use किए थे after my baby delivery. So I just used to massage my hair once a week, because that time I wasn't washing my hair a lot. So yes, once I used to use virgin coconut oil or a castor oil. I mix both and apply it on my hair and massage it for like good 1 hour before taking a shower. Second, I used to eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and the diet which is very rich in protein: dal, ghee, panjiri, cashews, almonds. बाल धो के आई यूज टू रैप इट विद द टॉवल फॉर एटलीस्ट जस्ट 5 minutes, जब तक उसके पानी पूरा निकल जाता था. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई डू नॉट, टिल डेट आई डू नॉट कॉम माई हेयर. आई मीन let it air dry. Mask that I apply till date every week or once a month or twice a month, that is simple. That is घर का बना हुआ curd with lemon, with honey and fresh aloe vera. Just put it on your hair for 30 minutes and wash it. Maintain a regular bowel movement. Definitely you should not be constipated. Try and eat fiber and rich protein diet, which will help you to have a good bowel movement. And try and drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. I'm reading it because I have mentioned it in front of me. I have mentioned that what I did. And yes, the most important is, if doctor has prescribed you, every doctor does. So if they have prescribed you the prenatal vitamin supplements, please do take it. And last but not the least, pranayam, just Anulom Vilom, that will also help you provide oxygen to your hair follicles. So yes, that's all for today. This week we have received many questions on hair care. So let me know in my next weekly question answers what topic do you want me to make the video on. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you until my next video.